Hey guys, it's me, Wally111, also known as Jonathan Garrett. I was just making another video to show you guys my Gumball Machine I got from a teacher at 3rd grade in middle school. If you see, I have beads in it for right now, just to show you guys. Like, it comes out different amount, like it only works with quarters, It only works with quarters, of course, so I'm going to demonstrate it. Put the quarter in, get it turned about that much, nothing comes out. Turn it one more, nothing comes out. Turn it almost halfway, and then about 3 beads came out, and then usually completely halfway, and it hits the bottom. All that came out for 1 quarter. Now to show you guys again. Quarter. Place it in. Alright, well, that's it for today. Bye.